The idea of Triangle Machine Learning Day came from similar meetings in the New York area and the Boston area. So there's New England Machine Learning Day and New York Machine Learning Day. And so we thought, let's do it here. We'll get together people from industry, people from government, people from academia, and we'll just bring them all together and just find out kind of the latest in machine learning technology and what people are interested in.
It was great for me to learn about the work of David Page, who was our academic keynote speaker and who preceded me, and to find out how he's applying machine learning to understanding EHRs and doing the same kinds of things we are. So there's potential for, who knows, some kinds of discussion down the road and joining of forces maybe.
One thing that struck me and struck several other people was the diversity of topics that were discussed today. We had everything from sort of imaging, satellite imaging and building 3D maps of the world to medical records and their analysis.
I really saw a wide variety of interests and topics today, but they all came together around a few themes like causal inference and causal discovery, deep neural networks for electronic health record data, and also spatial data, whether fossils or molecules. So I think those were some of the key themes, and I saw an overall emerging theme of machine learning that will really have an impact on people's lives and on society for good.
The one thing that was, another thing that was really wonderful about organizing it was that we had a huge amount of interest in the event. We put out the ad, and within a few weeks we had filled up to 340 people, and we actually had to cut registration and not allow more people to register, and had to remotely broadcast it because there was just so much interest in the event. And I really am so pleased about that energy in the local area for this topic, and that, as an organizer, that makes me really happy.
Places like this are where these collaborations start, and especially in industry, it's really as simple as talking to somebody. And with industry, especially a company like Lyfomic, you have if something gets the support of our very open-minded CEO, it can happen. There's not a huge grant application process. Business, in some ways, interestingly, can move a lot faster than academia and traditional research enterprises. I mean, it has to ultimately fit into some kind of business plan, but if somebody likes an idea, it can get acted on very, very quickly. And so it's entirely possible that collaborations and projects can spring from an event like this. And so I'm indebted to the organizers and the sponsors, and Duke and SAMSI and the other institutions for having, I guess, the breadth of vision to see the value of an event like this, because it's great. It's great for us. Yeah.
I will absolutely come back next year and encourage my department members to. Our department has a number of statisticians and computer scientists who are doing really exciting work in machine learning, would be very interested in the events that get covered here. I would just say I think, again, today is a really fantastic example of the quality of work and enthusiasm around machine learning here in the Triangle area. And I think it's wonderful what your organization does and what this event means.